tornado devastation. And look at Mulica. It was just swept clean off that, and each home from the south side was just swept off. I was over here. I was just right there driving as this tornado was dying out, and the south side is gone. The central or downtown is kinda EF3 to EF4 damage, and the north is EF0 to EF2 damage. And there is a tornado right beside me. And well, look at this tornado devastation in Mulica. I will go to the south side while there is a EF1 right there, directly north. Is this actually? I don't know. Oh, this is directly east from me. Well, look at this tornado devastation. I want to go to the south. I want to go to south of Mulica. You look at mobile homes devastation of these. This is like Greensburg 2007. Look at this home. It's just slipped off his floor. And well, look at these homes. It's whipped off clean. Look what's the clean. And well, these mobile homes are kind of broken. But look at the ones further south. Their homes are just whipped off clean. Oh. And we also have a tornado. Oh, it's an EF3. Well, I just saw it. Look at this tornado devastation. Look at these. These are just ground floor. They don't even have their platforms anymore, like that home. And well, what about the west side? Well, it's confirmed to be more damage than ever. Well, I don't know, but there's an EF3 on the ground. Look at this. Mobile homes, even the homes right just upper south is completely slipped off. Well, let's look at downtown. Where is the tornado siren at? I want to see the tornado siren. Did it survive, or was it evicted off the pole? Well, is that EF3 coming towards me? Well, it's coming directly east of Mulica, because this is receiving multiple damages of properties. Well, look at this. This is tornado devastation. My God. And will that bunker survive? Oh God, that's an EF4. I might have to go into this bunker because the tornado right south of me might be coming towards Mulica or the east side. Like, I don't understand. Oh, that's heavy, very heavy rain. There's another bunker. I'm going inside of the bunker. Like, God, leave! Oh, well. Wait, what? It's an EF2 now. I don't see the second tornado. That was directly east. And well, most of these tornadoes spawn near Durham or Winston. So I just thought of ideas. What about we spawn in Winston or Durham? And well, what What the? Oh god. Well, it's an EF2. Oh god. Now it's an EF3. Oh god, that's... Oh, it's raising. Raising Brit. And well, the first tornado was like... I want to eat you. And the second tornado was like east. What about the third tornado? Well, it's right. It is directly in the you have the EF2. Oh god. Well, my truck is perfectly safe, but there's an EF2 under me. I see it. Oh god. Well, my truck survived, but I could have placed a probe because I have a probe on. Oh my god. My god. So there's a third tornado. Just hit. Murder. No, not murder. Mulica. Oh, see. Now are we safe? Yeah. I think we're safe from this second tornado hitting Mulica. Like my eye. Well, there's another tornado. Hopefully it doesn't come from Mulica because yeah, we got two tornadoes hitting Mulica at again. Oh, well, it just hit the east side. Well, these homes down. Oh, that tornado was that. Oh God. Well, I'm gonna go back in my truck. Alright. So we are in my truck right now. And then I want to see the damage on the east side of Mulica before ending this video. Because it just got hit by a second tornado. Like, what? Well, I'm gonna upload something, but and well, look at this restaurant. It just completely rebirthed. It just completely rebirthed. Oh, look at this tornado devastation. Again, because of the second tornado that hit Mulica. And well, most of these homes were just empty homes before they got swept clean by the second tornado that hit Mulica. And I want to see the tornado. And there's an EF2. Hopefully you won't be going towards Mulica because we just already got reports. Dude, come here. Come here, man. And well, I'm going upwards. The upward way. And this home is swept off clean, as it used to be. And well, this home isn't damaged. And that home, where we just sang before. And that home was just a normal home before it disappeared into the air. Well, these homes are swept off clean. Just clean. And well, oh, what is that? Oh, that must be a bunker. What? Like, look at these homes. They're swept off clean, like Mr. Clean. And well, these, well, the upper eastern of the neighborhood is severely damaged, but their roofs are got like EF2 intensity. I want to see I don't see the tornado siren. Was it swept off clean? Where is it? Even the water tower! Godly! Remember the tornado siren being here. That means it got swept off clean. The water tower even got damaged. Well, it didn't fall. Oh. So, we got a free literal tornado coming towards Mulica again. The third tornado. The third time that Mulica is gonna get hit by a tornado. And I'm gonna place a probe too. Well, it's coming. This is the end of the video. Bye.